This is the reason rich people get richer and the poor get poorer. So rich people do this even without realizing, and they follow the law of reciprocity. And the law of reciprocity says if you do something for someone, they're more likely to do something back. Because wealthy people have an abundance mindset, they're more likely to give value away for free without any expectation. If you haven't got much though, you're unable to do this, but that as a result attracts more opportunities and business for the wealthy. Anyone though can implement this mindset and start doing and adding more value without any expectation. And we do this with our sales calls. So we add free value on how a client can achieve what they want without actually taking our marketing services out. And as a result, they're more likely to want to actually work with us. So we're totally flipping the script. Follow me for more videos just like this one.